So guys, as you can see, now we are in our gameplay video, and you can see on the second option Optimus Prime 11 over mic is working, guys. Hello, so what's up guys, welcome back with a new exciting video in my own YouTube channel. So guys, let's start this video, but first of all please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So guys, ये जो मेथड आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, I see lot of video on YouTube, बट गाइस ये जो मेथड है ये 100% वर्किंग है। आप भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख चुके होंगे कि इस तरह करें, इस तरह करें, इस तरह करें, आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी। बट गाइस ये जो मेथड है ये आपको मैं प्रूफ के साथ दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है गाइस। तो अपनी इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं, बट मेरी मोटिवेशन के लिए। बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो, एंड गाइस आल्सो टेल मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स योर प्रॉब्लम इज सोल्व्ड आउट और नॉट। गाइस इट इज important, tell me in the comment box. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, first of all you should need to turn off your antivirus protection. So guys, इसके लिए सिंपली आपने चले जाना है अपने सर्च के अंदर, और यहाँ पे आपने सर्च कर लेना है Windows Firewall and Protection Networks. Guys, simply open this. After this, you should need to go into the protection tab, and guys, after this virus and threat protection setting, going into this and turn off real-time protection. And guys, if you have any other antivirus like Avast, AVG, Avira, so also turn off its protection. So guys, after this you should need to download the driver. So guys, first step is complete to turn off your antivirus first of all. So guys, second step is update your device microphone audio device driver. So guys, you should not need to install or update your driver from here in the properties device manager. So guys, if you are a real tech user like me, guys, you can see here real tech high definition audio. So guys, I did not recommend you to update your driver from here, guys. It says you are already up to date driver. So guys, simply you should need to go back and open any Google browser, Google Chrome or any other browser. Like I already opened the Google Chrome. So guys, it is my channel, so kindly subscribe it. It is our small family of 81 members. So guys, you should also make the member of our family by subscribing our channel. So guys, simply you should need to go into the google.com, turn off this. After this, search google.com. So guys, after this you should need to search here realtech.com. so guys, simply search realtech.com. after this, go into the first link. I will also provide you this website link in the description, so simply go on this website. So guys, जब ये वेबसाइट ओपन हो जाएगी, when you access this website, तो simply guys आपने इसके ड्राइवर को डाउनलोड करना है। तो चलिए guys, थोड़ा वेट कर लेते हैं ताकि ये वेबसाइट जो है हमारे सामने लोड हो जाए। So guys, I stopped the video because this website takes little bit time to load on the screen. So guys, after this you should see here HD audio codec driver. Guys, you should only need to download this codec driver, not any other driver. So simply download this driver. So simply I click on this. After this, you should need to accept all the above information which is provided above here. So guys, click on the next button. After click here check mark. So guys, after this you should download the driver according to your system bit operating system. So guys, let's wait for the next page. So guys, next page is successfully load on our screen. So guys, you can see here 64 bits Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 driver only acceptable file. So guys, simply if you have 32-bit operating system, so download this file, and if you have 64-bit, so download this one. So guys, I have already downloaded it file. I will show you in the internet download manager. You can see here guys, this is the driver which is 252.17 megabytes. So simply guys, download this, and after this install this driver, and then after restart your PC. So guys, now I close this and go in our game. So guys, after launching the game, simply you should need to go into this setting of Fortnite Battle Royale. After this, go into this sound setting, and then you should need to turn on this button voice chat is on, and after this you should need to push to talk button off. So guys, if you turn on this, so it is cause some problem, sometime it will not work, so I recommend you to turn off push to talk. So guys, after this, apply the setting, and then we should check the gameplay our mic is working or not. So guys, let's play our game. And guys, if you want to play with me, so kindly send me your friend request. So guys, my ID is Optimus Prime 11. You can see here Optimus Prime 11. So simply send me your request. We shall play together. So guys, simply go into the play button and check the gameplay over mic is working or not. So guys, let's check out. So guys, as you can see, now we are in our gameplay video, and you can see on the second option Optimus Prime 11 over mic is working guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. So guys, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So guys, next video के लिए Allah Hafiz and bye bye.